then buy it. And then follow the instruction on how to install that on the dashboard. So that is very clear. So the next one, the last steps on this computer upgrade is performance testing. Alright, what is performance testing? So after installation, after you install all of the product, all of the components that is upgraded already, you have to test the capacity. We have to test the performance. Like for example, you want to run, as what I have said a while ago, you want to run a 3D software, then your computer won't run it because it's an old version. But now you buy already, you identify the perfect, compatible upgrade for the computer. Now it's being installed already. Now what you're going to do is to test that performance, whether it is working or not. So how are you going to test that? You can install some, or you can run the software that you want to run on the computer. If it is running already, functioning already on the computer, means